Alright, so this is the final part of tic-tac-toe, checking for a winner. So we're going to go in our JavaScript file, and we set up that function last time for winner. So it's called here, therefore the code in here makes this exist. Therefore, every time turn is called, it also calls winner. So it's 2 in 1. So every time a move is made, after that move, we check if someone won. So then you can either keep going or you say there's a winner. So now, the way I'm going to write this is very basic. There are plenty of other better methods, but here's how I'm going to do it. We're going to create 9 variables for the 9 boxes on the tic-tac-toe board, and then check for 3-way wins. But you have to make sure that you don't check for empty boxes to be equal to each other. Otherwise, when the game starts, it'll automatically be over. So I'm going to do this like for B1, box 1, and then box 1 because we gave those IDs in the HTML file. So we're going to do that. Alright, so basically it's going to be looking like this, essentially, if you have the same ID name as I did, because that matters. And then we're going to do some if statements, which just check for the winning. So I'm going to write if, and then I'm gonna follow them all up with else ifs, because if it's not this win, it could be another win. It doesn't necessarily mean someone didn't win. So either this or that is really what it's going to be doing when you do else if. So make sure you put it all together. But I'll do that like this. So if box 1 and box 2 are equal to each other, and box 1 and box 3 and box 2 and box 3, then there's a win, right? But I'm checking to make sure they're not empty, because they have to either be filled in with an X or an O in order to be valid. So that's what that's doing. And before we did .enter HTML as well, which is just the text on the web page. Very simple. Nothing complicated, really. And then, so that at that point, you can just continue it for the other wins. So if you don't want to go through that, I'll do it right here. So just the 9 variables, very simple. Var creates variable, blah, 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 blah. And then the rest here. So it looks like a lot, but it's really just the same thing over and over again. So you can just do copy paste and then change like the 5, 4. It's very, very basic. So save that. And since we already called everything, you don't have to do any more work. So X, O, X, O, X, and a 1. Check to make sure it works as O. And it clearly does. So that's tic-tac-toe, made in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And it works. So if you want to add like a reset button, reset the board or whatever, that's pretty cool too, to expand your ability in web development. But those are just some ideas. Yeah. So I hope you guys had fun. See ya.